Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? My name is Hashir Mehmood AI Wala and I am a student at Rehan School Foundation ACCL program. Today I will be completing day 22 task talk to Sesame Miles about the topic of okay. So without wasting any more time, let us talk to Miles. Let's connect with Miles. This will take. Hello
Yo, what's
Miles.
up?
Hello Miles. How are you?
I'm doing great. Just vibing. How about you?
I'm also great. Can you help me with some questions about the topic of okay?
I got you. Shoot, what you need to know?
Uh, how old is the word okay?
If you're talking about the word okay,
Yeah,
it's roughly 180 years old.
108
It took
years.
off in the 1830s.
Okay. And what is the most widely accepted theory behind the creation of okay?
The big one is that it started as a joke in a Boston newspaper. Basically, people back then loved intentional misspellings. It was a shorthand for all correct instead of all correct. Kind of like how people use mole or doggo now. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, and does okay actually stand for anything or not?
Technically, no. It's not an acronym for some fancy phrase. It just evolved from that all correct misspelling invention. Now it's just its own thing.
And who is credited with popularizing the term okay?
Van Buren is the name you're looking for. He used it as a campaign slogan back in 1840.
Okay.
His nickname was Old Hook, so the OK worked as a double meaning for both, just down in the word itself. Very clever move for the time,
Yes. And why do
right?
some people actually write it as okay while others write it okay?
It's basically just a style choice. Using OK feels a bit more official or traditional, while OK just feels more natural in a sentence.
Hmm.
Neither one is wrong. It's just about the vibe you're going for.
Yes. And
What else you got on the list?
was okay originally intended as a joke or a serious word?
Definitely a joke. Like I said, those Boston writers were just messing around with bad spelling for a laugh. Just
Hmm.
it wasn't meant to be some deep linguistic shift. It was
Yes.
just a meme of the 1830s.
Yes, yes. And how did newspapers contribute to the spread of okay?
They were basically the social media of the day. Uh, since newspapers were the main way people got their news and
Yeah,
entertainment, that old correct joke spread like wildfire.
yeah, yeah.
Once it hit the press, people started seeing it everywhere and just started using it in their own letters and conversations. It became a viral trend before the internet even existed.
Yes. And
Pretty wild, right?
around when did okay become a commonly accepted spelling?
It really started cementing itself as a standard around the mid to late 19th century. By the time the telegraph came along, people needed things to be short and fast, so OK became the perfect way to confirm a message was received. It just fit the tech of the time.
Yes. And are there cultures or countries where okay is used differently?
Pretty much everywhere it's used to mean fine or yes, but the nuance shifts. In some places, like Japan, they use OK and it's common, but in others, it can sound a bit blunt or dismissive depending on the tone. It's
Yes.
one of those words that's global, but the vibe changes based on who's saying it. Want to know about any specific spots?
No, we'll let that be. And can the tone of okay change depending on the situation or punctuation?
Oh, absolutely. Punctuation changes everything. A lowercase OK do is just a casual yeah, but okay with
Hmm.
a period. That's basically a digital eye roll. Feels like a conversation ender.
Yes.
And if you're texting and someone just sends K, that's practically a declaration of war.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's a dangerous game. What's next on the agenda?
And just a simple question. If okay was never invented, what word do you think might have become the world's universal expression of agreement instead?
Man, that's a tough one. I feel like all right would have just stepped up and taken the crown. It's already got that same versatility. You can use it
Yeah.
to agree, to acknowledge, or even to sound slightly different. slightly annoyed if you drag
Yes,
it out. It's basically the okay of the runner-up world. What do you
yes,
think?
yes.
You think something else would have won out?
No, personally, I think you are correct. Thank you so much for giving me your time. So let's talk again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Anytime. It was a blast. I'll be around.
So today we talked to Sesame about okay, and we learned quite a few new things. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.